Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to uninstall applications on a smart TV with Android TV operating system. There are times when we want to uninstall applications, either because we want to empty the TV or save space in memory, or because we are not going to use them anymore and we want to remove them so they are not around bothering the applications bar. To uninstall applications on an Android TV we will have to go to the right, to the settings section, we enter and we go down where it indicates applications. Once inside we will have to go down to where it says view all apps, and as you can see here are the applications that we have installed. I have to say that there are applications that if they are pre-installed directly on the Android TV we will not be able to uninstall them, such as, for example, Netflix. If we enter Netflix we can uninstall updates and disable them, but we cannot uninstall them from the system. The application will always be inside the TV, even if we disable it or remove the updates. Another case, for example, is the Google Play Store application. We will not be able to remove this application from the TV, we cannot remove the application store. We also have other cases such as Prime Video, which in this case we cannot uninstall it as it is pre-installed, or the YouTube application, which we cannot uninstall it either. But the applications that we, ourselves, have installed through the Google Store and that do not come pre-installed on the TV, we can uninstall them. So, for example, we're going to uninstall, well in this case, the Twitch app which we installed in another video. We go here to the Twitch app, click on it and, as you can see, down here we do get the uninstall option. Simply, we click on uninstall, we accept the uninstallation of the application and, as you can see, the application is uninstalled, disappears from the list of applications and, if we go back, it will not appear in our main application screen. Well, guys, this is as far as the video goes. As you can see, very quick and very simple, but well, if anyone had any questions about how to uninstall applications or where is the option to uninstall them, I hope I could help. As always, if it has been useful, do not forget to leave me a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to not miss anything. For my part, nothing more, as always, a pleasure and until the next video.